Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the exact font and tools you need. Obtain the iOS emoji font legally and place it on your workstation. Next, install ADB and platform tools so you can push files to Android. Root access or recovery flashable packages are often required. Once done, back up your phone's current fonts and system partition. This protects you if something goes wrong. Make sure to enable OEM unlock or bootloader access, where applicable so later steps won't be blocked. Now you convert and adapt the iOS font for Android. Use FontForge or a conversion tool to ensure proper tables and CID mapping. Then patch the font metadata to match Android expectations and build a fallback map so emoji code points resolve correctly across apps. After that, package the font either as a sign system font APK or as a vendor overlay. This keeps updates safe and persistent. Once packaged, test locally by mounting or sideloading and verifying glyph coverage and rendering. Finally, deploy the package and verify results. Push the signed APK or flash the recovery zip with ADB, then reboot so the system loads the new fonts. Check rendering in messaging apps, web views, and the keyboard. Differences can occur because of font fallback. If emoji are missing or display incorrectly, restore your backup immediately, then inspect font tables, see map ranges, and whether the package was properly signed. Make sure SE Linux contexts and permissions match original files to avoid silent failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.